Okay, finishing the lesson on 5.6 linear equations. We find the slope by using the slope formula. 4 minus 1 is 3, 1 minus 0 is 1. So that leaves us the slope is 3 over 1, which means the slope is 3. Alright, we could have also found the slope here by doing rise over run, because we have this graph. So we would go up 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So we know that the slope is 1. We can also identify the y-intercept by looking at the graph. This graph crosses the y-axis at 1. So we know that the y-intercept is 1. Alright, so if we use the slope and the y-intercept to write an equation, we have y is equal to mx plus b. 3 is the slope, that goes in the place of x. Y-intercept is 1, that goes in the place of b. So we can write that equation using the points that we were given by finding the slope. Or we can find the slope by looking at the graph, and we can find the y-intercept by looking at the graph. Or to find the y-intercept, you let x equal 0. And here in this point, x is 0, so we know that the y-intercept was 1. So you can find the y-intercept by looking at that point where x is 0, or by looking at where the graph crosses the y-axis. Then your equation is y is equal to 3x plus 1.